While the biker is driving on the road, a car suddenly appears in front of him. The biker maintains brake control wheel and narrowly escapes the accident.
Oh my god! Oh my god! What the fuck, dude? Are you fucking kidding me? Woo! Holy shit!
As the biker turns the bend, the motorcycle slips and falls to the ground. People suddenly get out in front of the biker who is driving in front and get out of the collision at the last moment.
Faz assim não, caralho! Responsável do caralho, mano.
While the biker is driving on the road, the car in front stops suddenly and accident becomes inevitable. While the biker is driving on the road, the car on the right side sprinkles a puddle on the ground on the biker. As the biker is driving along the road, he sees a car that has crashed and turned somersault on the side of the road.
Look at this accident here. Wow. How did this happen? Oh my G. Jesus Christ. Look at that. Mercedes Benz. Come on, flipped it. Wow. Jesus Christ.
The ATV rider touched the motorcycle next to him, and they both lost control and fall to the ground.
But I shake the room.
Tranquilo?
The biker does not notice the wheel in front of him while driving in traffic, and although he tries to run to the right, he cannot survive the accident.
Não sei o que aconteceu ali na frente. Desculpa. Machuquei muito.
While the biker is driving on the road, the police suddenly approach on his left side and tell him to stop. Let's watch the rest.
You scared me.
Because you ride like shit.
I'm sorry.
You're a terrible rider, dude. You're gonna get killed. Alright? I got you at 99 miles an hour splitting traffic. That's reckless. Okay? You got a flashing yellow light in the back. That's illegal. You got illegal exhaust. You're all over the carpool line. You can't ride on that line. There's a lot of things I can let go. You never checked your mirrors. Never. I've been behind you since Via Princessa. Did you even see me?
I've been checking. I swear.
You're not checking good because I was right on you to see if you would look. That just goes to show you're not paying attention.
No, I swear. I'm not lying.
I don't believe you didn't see me. You didn't check good.
Yeah.
Period. You get your license, registration, insurance.
Yeah.
You're not looking. You're not paying enough attention.
Yeah.
Okay. The mirrors are just as important as what's in front of you. All right.
Okay.
You got any questions for me?
No, well, you won't catch me doing that right here.
Maybe not right here. Give it a couple weeks and I will. All right.
What areas do you cover here?
That's a secret. I'll tell you.
I thought
I'm very good at sneaking.
when you came up right next to me, I was like, oh god, like I thought you were one of those. You know the In and Out, right?
Yeah.
There's a stop sign at the end.
Yeah.
There's always two that hang out there in the morning, and they weren't there today. So I was like, that's kind of weird. And then when you pulled me, I was like, oh, is he following me? Like, what, did he stop to see me?
No, I saw you some beautiful stuff.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry.